I feel like how do I change the exposure on this? Oh, wow. Okay, that's better. Let's curl my hair. I'm getting ahead of myself. Love you. I'm filming right now.
I know, but the camera not looking.
Oh. Probably not the smartest idea I've ever had. We're just embracing the roots at this point. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye Elizabeth. If you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell if you like this video or any of my other videos, so then you can be notified when I post. That's the best way to keep up with me. You can also follow my Instagram. I have it linked below. Yeah, that's pretty much the only social media I have. But anyways, wanted to give you guys this video because I've had a lot of requests for it. How to curl my hair. So this is how I curl my hair. My hair has been growing like a weed in quarantine, and I just started using this curling iron again. So a lot of people have been asking about it, like on my Instagram and stuff, and yeah, I thought it would be a fun video, so let's get into it. Let's curl my hair. So I start by separating just like halfway around my head. Depends on the day, but it's really simple. I'm getting way ahead of myself. I have this curling iron. I think it's like 2 inches. Again. Okay. Love you. I'm filming right now.
I know, but the camera not looking.
Oh.
She's pretty neat.
Anyways, so I am using this curling iron. I didn't normally use this curling iron until my hair got long, and I just started using it again. I want to say it's a 2-inch, maybe a 1.5, and it's so old. I've literally been using it for so many years. This is the only thing I can see for branding, so if that's Conair, I don't know. If it is, comment down below. I'm not sure. But basically I start, this clicks on, I turn it to 400, sometimes I turn it down to 380, whatever, and then I just part my hair, and I take a piece, not super big, depends. I switch it up, and I start in the middle and twirl up like once and hold it, and then you kind of twirl down, and you twirl up as you release this. You twirl up and you let go, and then I don't touch it. I move on to the next piece, so I just take this and like separate it like that. I have a piece about this big, and then I do the same thing. Start in the middle, twirl up, hold it for a minute, twirl down a little bit, and you always want to keep some of the end out. See, I still have some of that end out, and then release, and do that for the whole rest of the bottom layer. Oh, I also wanted to say I'm getting ready in my pajamas right now because I'm running really late, and thought now would be a good time to film this tutorial. Just because it's my birthday today and I need to curl my hair, and why not? Probably not the smartest idea I've ever had. Okay, so then I just kind of like let it cool. My hair holds a curl pretty well. I actually did blow dry it yesterday, and then I went to the beach, so this is not like fresh clean hair. But then I just do another layer and put it up, and I do the same thing. Oh, also I hold it for, I don't ever count. I just hold it until I feel like it's good. Maybe 10, 15 seconds. I've gotten pretty quick at this. So, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I don't do the same exact thing every single time I curl my hair. But thanks, baby.
It's called the kiss you while you burn, not burn myself.
Love you, baby.
Love you too.
Okay, so then I just let it down. Well, I part it how I want it to be parted. Part it. And I keep doing the same thing that I did from the start. Also, we've been in quarantine and they did open some of the hair salons, but I go to this hair salon that's like the most popular hair salon in Fort Myers, which means I can't get in for a very long time. So we're just embracing the roots at this point. Then you might want to let it sit depending on the type of hair you have, because I know like a lot of people's hair, like I have some friends that ask me like, how do you curl your hair like that? And then they try it, or I try it on them, and it doesn't really stay. So I have hair that curls pretty well and holds a curl pretty well. So I did want to just add that in there. But once I shake it out, I go back in and just touch up some areas on the surface. I'm looking for a loose, like wave, like big wave right now, so that's what I am going to get with this.
You're gonna murder my feet, but I don't think you're gonna do too much more.
Okay, so once you've gone back in and touched up some areas, I like to kind of pull it out in the front and just zhuzh it up a little bit. And there you go. That's it. If I missed anything or if I wasn't very clear, please let me know in the comments below. Alright guys, so that is how I curl my hair. As you can see, this is the finished product. I just zhuzhed it up a little bit. I actually put a little baby powder in my hair because I noticed, like I said, in my roots, they're really, really strong right now, and baby powder actually like kind of coats it a little bit and like blends it in. But yeah, this is the finished look. Looks really cute behind the ear. You can do lots of different stuff with it. But yeah, if you have any other questions that I didn't answer in this video, make sure you comment them down below. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe if you liked this video because it really supports my channel. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you. Bye.